Welcome back to the Dizzy Committee. Today, we're diving deep into a concept that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction, but it might just be the key to unlocking your hidden potential. We call it the quantum code. Whether you're a seeker of personal transformation, a lover of all things science, or just curious about breaking free from your limits, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll discover the beginnings to the powerful ideas and practical steps to help you tap into that inner energy and start your journey towards transcendence. Let's decode the mystery together. First off, what exactly is the quantum code? Now, before we get too scientific, let's clear something up. The quantum code is not a piece of computer software, nor is it a literal algorithm hidden inside your DNA. Instead, it's a tool, a powerful symbol representing the untapped dynamic potential within each one of us. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states at once, and they can be interconnected through a phenomenon called entanglement. Similarly, the quantum code represents the idea that our minds and souls have the capacity to exist beyond the conventional limits of everyday life. It's the hidden blueprint of our true power, waiting to be activated. Let's break it down a bit further. In the world of physics, quantum mechanics shows us that reality is far more fluid and dynamic than our everyday experiences suggest. Particles can be in a state of probability, existing in multiple places until they are observed. This strange behavior tells us that the fabric of reality is malleable, at least on a microscopic scale. Now, imagine if we could harness that same kind of flexibility in our own lives. What if we could rewrite our internal code to break free from limiting beliefs about is possible? That's where the concept of the quantum code comes in. It's a call to harness this tool, to recognize that we have the power to change our reality by reprogramming our thoughts, emotions, and existing in this quantum state. So, how do we unlock this so-called quantum code within ourselves? Here are some practical starting steps to help you begin the journey of transformation. Once you have mastered this, you will be able to move on to the final code-breaking secret: meditation and mindfulness. First, allow your thoughts to settle and focus on your breathing. This practice helps you connect with your quantum self and allows you to receive the code-breaking secret. Challenge your beliefs. Question your self-limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, what if I could achieve more than this? This is the starting point to connecting with your quantum self. While the quantum code is a powerful tool, it's important to note that it straddles the fascinating boundary between science and spirituality. Quantum mechanics gives us a glimpse into the mysterious nature of reality, while spiritual traditions have long spoken of an inner essence that connects us to the universe. By tapping into your quantum code, you're not only aligning with scientific ideas about possibility and change, you're also reconnecting with ancient wisdom about the power of the human spirit. This synthesis of modern science and timeless spirituality encourages us to see ourselves as active participants in creating our reality. It's a reminder that just as particles can change when observed, our lives can be reshaped by the power of our focus and intention. So what's the takeaway? The quantum code is your invitation to break free from the mundane and explore the extraordinary potential within you. It's a call to awaken, to challenge what you think is possible, and to actively shape your reality. Whether you're just starting out or are well on your path of personal evolution, remember that you have a hidden blueprint waiting to be unlocked. If you found this video, it means you are ready to receive the code. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dizzy Committee to continue of this journey that was set for you. What steps are you taking to unlock your inner potential? Thanks for watching, and remember, the journey to transcending your limits starts with this one step. Until next time, keep evolving and stay curious.